In an industry predicated largely on reinvention, the Jeep Wrangler is an anomaly, one of only a handful of vehicles whose evolution can be plotted on a straight line. Its design has remained faithful to the original for decades. Buyers have routinely responded in kind. The production line at Jeep's Toledo, Ohio, assembly facility working overtime to satisfy demand. While that single-minded approach preserves the Wrangler's iconic status, it places some restrictions on those tasked with shepherding the four-wheel drive sacred cash cow through the 21st century. Change is a relative concept. Beneath the new Wrangler's familiar outward appearance, the designers and engineers have done a thorough job weaving modernity into the template. Mark Allen, head of Jeep brand design, tells us that the project began with way-out sketches that were used to get creative juices flowing. Tiny elements of those designs, such as the keystone shape of the grille, the way the headlights invade the outer grille slats, and the full-length rain gutter which doubles as a handy attachment point for roof rack systems were products of these early concepts. They also resulted in the slightly increased rake of the windshield, a measure taken with great care to preserve the classic Jeep profile. Allen claims that one more degree in either direction really whacks it out. This makes improving the Wrangler's aerodynamics a challenge, and although there are a few small adjustments, they're hidden wherever possible. The windshield still folds flat, and thanks to a separate, non-folding header bar connecting the A-pillars, the process is streamlined. The new 4-bolt procedure also leaves the rear-view mirror in place. Additional classic features such as the removable doors remain, only now the tool required to loosen the T50 fasteners is included. Should you lose it, the T50 designation is stamped into the aluminum hinge as a handy reminder. Optional half doors will come online for 2019.